How do I compare car insurance? You may use few portals which allow you to compare. But before that, please visit IRDAI site to find out which aggregators are approved by IRDAI. You may get shocked. And then, caution is the word, irrespective of insurer, distributor, product, aggregator. Motor insurance has so many variables that it is easy to manipulate or fool the uninformed customer. Compare benefits offered on following counts as sample. 1. Depreciated value of car. Own damage premium depends upon the depreciated value of car. And the beauty is that your proposal form will say depreciated value as declared by insured. So technically, you are answerable for the depreciated value. A smart insurer will reduce the value of your car to show a lower premium. 2. Third-party premium is governed by IRDAI, so insurer cannot manipulate it. Still, there are so many car models now in market. Third-party premium depends upon the cc of the car. So Smart Alec may show your car as having lower cc to reduce your third-party premium. Your total premium payable will come down. However, mostly insurers have put such details on the system, so manipulations may not be easy. But what if data in system itself is faulty? After all, employees of insurers may not be angels. Ethic levels too may be different. 3. Users, drivers, occupants too are covered. If you are driving your car normally, you need not pay for driver. You may get this insurance for even 2 lakh each. If you reduce this sum assured, your premium comes down. So some Smart Alec will, you see. 4. Please also check if insurer is clandestinely putting a co-pay clause beyond what is minimum stipulated by IRDAI. Mandatory co-pay for your case may be 10%, Smart Distributor will increase it to 20% and bring down your premium. This you discover only at the time of claim when insurer asks you to bear 20% of the admitted claim. 5. If your vehicle is used for commercial purposes also, please see that it is carefully mentioned in policy. And Smart Alec may show commercial vehicle as personal vehicle to bring down premium. 6. A commercial vehicle may be used for personal purposes only. For example, Tata may have trucks. It is a commercial vehicle, so you have to pay at that rate. But Tatas are not letting out these trucks on hire to outsiders. So they need not pay higher premium for hiring of such vehicle. Rates are different and you get shock only at the time of claim. Commercial vehicle used for hiring means higher premium, which means higher, you know what. I must hasten to add that all distributors are not dishonest, but you should not pay for their ignorance either. 7. You should get full 12 months cover. Some black sheep may insure your motor for 10 months to show reduced premium. Be watchful and compare. 8. If your motor has CNG, you have to pay higher premium. I conceal this information in proposal so that my premium comes down. You see. Above are only indicative, suffices to say that ensure that your proposal form contains only truth, facts to your satisfaction. Secondly, none, I repeat, none, above points are hypothetical. I have come across numerous cases under each head. Please don't get scared. Just be honest and keep your eyes open. Don't sign and pay till you are satisfied. For this you should get time to think and compare. So start insurance buying procedure at least 1 month in advance. Car insurance is a necessity nowadays. Unforeseen circumstances like collision and accidents are common that can damage your car. Having auto insurance for your vehicle is beneficial. It can cover the costs of replacement, damages, and public liability. If you are looking to compare Car Insurance Canada for multiple companies, then you should go to an expert. In my opinion, you should contact Kirkham Insurance for this. It lets you find the ideal plan from many of the affiliate insurance companies. The firm helps in keeping your financial assets secure. Kirkham Insurance helps you in not only searching the best auto insurance but also provide auto insurance quotes comparison facilities. They also help in comparing the rates from the top competitors to find insurance without any hassle. For starters, make sure that all policies are for the same length of time. In other words, if one is an annual policy and one is a 6-month policy, to compare them you would have to double the prices on the 6-month policy to be equal to the annual policy's rate. Then, the coverages on the policies that you are comparing should be the same. This means that all policies have same number of coverages, with the same limits or deductible. Once you are sure everything is the same, you can then compare. If they aren't the same, you should do everything in your power to get them to be the same. If prices are similar, larger companies are usually better than smaller companies. And annual is better than 6-month policies, since you could only get one price increase a year. Use an independent insurance broker who can do it for you. For example, in my office we compare Travelers, Hanover, Kemper, Central, NY Central Mutual, Utica National, Progressive, Mercury, Farmers, MSA and Safeco. So you would get compared to all these insurance providers. It's important to understand that capacity is an element needed to enter most any kind of contract. Capacity refers to the legal power to bind oneself, and the other party, to a contract. In most states in the U.S., the age of majority which equates with capacity is 18, although in some states it may still be 21 as it once was. Consequently, most insurers will require that you have attained the age of majority before contracting with you, such as for an insurance policy. The insurer's concern is that if it contracts with a minor, the contract policy is voidable at the minor's option. If you continue to live with your family, your best bet may be to have the car registered in one of your parents' name and be listed as an authorized driver on the policy that insures the car. Be aware that if you are shown as the primary driver of the car, the insurance will be quite expensive, more so than if you are an occasional driver. That said, you do, in fact, have to be an occasional driver or else the insurer may deny coverage were a collision to occur because it has based its rates on that underwriting status. Also, be aware that you must have a valid driver's license to be insured at all, so make sure that you have one. A license is issued only to people at or older than that provided by state law, which may or may not be the age of majority.